Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to install ngrok on Kali Linux 2020.4 step by step. Ngrok exposes local servers behind NATs and firewalls to the public internet over secure tunnels. How it works: simply download, install and connect to the ngrok cloud service, which accepts traffic on a public address. And you can access your local host on the internet with the help of ngrok. So, first of all, you have to create an account on ngrok by clicking on sign up. Here you can create an account filling the information here or sign up with GitHub and Google. I have already signed up. After login, you can see all the instruction here. So, first of all, you have to download the ngrok by clicking this button or copy the link. And download the zip file using wget command. Simply using this command you can download the file. I will give all links and command in the description. After downloading the .zip file, we have to extract it by using unzip application. So we have to install it by using this command. Now using this command we can extract the .zip file. Now we have to connect our account with Kali Linux. So we need an auth token. In the dashboard, you have to copy the token. So authenticate your ngrok agent using this command. So now auth token saved to the configuration file. Now using this command you can run ngrok in your Kali Linux. Here you can see the session status, account, version, region, web interface, etc. When you open this link in your web browser, you will get these two tunnel URLs, which is accessible from anywhere. That means your local machine is accessible from anywhere from the world. You can host your website using Apache and another platform. Here you can see the details about your ngrok. Click on I button, where you can learn how to host a website using Apache and localhost. In your account you can reset your auto token if you want. And here in the terminal using Ctrl+C to quit. It will stop your ngrok service. So that is it. This is the way how to install ngrok on Kali Linux. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you very much, see you in next video.